Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this Cream of Nature Detangler leave-in conditioner really lives up to its name, not away. So after shampooing and conditioning my daughter's hair, I put this leave-in in, and then I twist her hair up so it can really soak in through her hair, make it nice, soft, and easier to comb through. My daughter hates getting her hair combed. It is not a delightful experience. But as you can see, as I'm taking the twist out, I am pulling and she is not flinching. This product really works. The hair is left really soft and easy to pull apart. And I can even part her hair. Whew, that is definitely a feat in itself. I also use it on my hair. After I washed and conditioned it, I put some on. Look how thick and beautiful that is. Then I just put it all over my head, rub it in really good. I really make sure to put a lot so I can cover my whole head. I have a lot of hair. Then I twist it and do the same thing I did with my daughter's hair. So if you are looking for a conditioner that can help take away those knots, help loosen up your hair, moisturize your hair, and you can leave it in, I would highly recommend this conditioner. I am a Cream of Nature girl. I love this brand so much, and this product did not disappoint. So I would definitely recommend Cream of Nature and this product, and that's my point of view.